So one of the shots that you're gonna use probably the most is what we would call a forward walking B-roll. And what forward walking B-roll is exactly what I said it is. And basically what you're gonna do is you're always gonna obviously always have this wide angle camera lens on. And what we're gonna do is we're simply just gonna lock our arms right here and look at my torso. My torso will stay straight. The only thing that's gonna move are my legs and my bottom half. So when we say forward walking B-roll, this is what it is. I'm gonna walk like this, or I could come back like this, like backwards walking B-roll. It really is the same thing. But what you're gonna use these type of shots for are walkthroughs. And you can see the split screen right here. You're gonna see exactly what it looks like when I'm actually moving forward. Now, the wide angle camera lens right here is what's gonna give you that wide angle front, and it's gonna look like a floating drone. But that is the key. When you're forward walking, don't go like this, don't go like this, don't go like this. Straight linear movements, direct straight, and just go like this and walk through. Now, you'll understand what shots you're taking a forward walking B-roll, but a good rule of thumb is to just drone the entire place. Whether it's a neighborhood, whether it's a business, whether it's a point of interest, it doesn't matter. Anything that you are going to be talking about on the video, you want to forward B-roll it. So basically just go like this and cover every aspect of the thing you are shooting, and the video will look good.